Hello once again, my people. So in my last video, I said I was going to show you how I combine Google Meet, Zoom, and what again, and Microsoft OneNote to holding my class online classes, hinge free, and also be able to annotate. Lest I forget, in order for you to annotate, that's to write. You need we need this. You need this, which is what do I call it? Graphics tablet, right? For graphics pad or tablet, however you know call it. I think tablet, right? Or pad to be able to write. And here is the pen that you are going to write with. You understand? So you need this to be able to annotate, to be able to write, especially if you are taking a mathematics. So that is about that one. So I said I was going to show us how I combine the three platform to holding my class. So let's go into my laptop so I can show you that.
So currently I'm recording with OBS Studio. So here I have my Zoom. Initially, I schedule my class. Let me go to my Google Calendar. I've already scheduled my class. So all I need to do is to come to my Google Calendar. Here it is. I choose the email that I used to create I'm using to manage that my calendar. So here I'll come here to my calendar, as you can see. So the next thing I'll check, as you can see, here's my calendar. Let's see, where's my scheduled class? My scheduled class is Tuesday and Thursday. So I have weekly math and non-verbal reasoning entrance exam preparation, and the time is 7 to 8 p.m. although it has changed to 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. now, so 1 hour. So I'll just click it. As you can see, let's wait for it to load. So okay, let's join with Google Meet. Click. So automatically I don't need to open a Google Meet myself since I already scheduled the class. I also tell us how to schedule class recordings classes. So maybe this particular student now, we have been on this since January. So I scheduled the class, the calendar for it to be recalling, right? So I don't need to be sharing I don't need to be sharing a link every now and then. So this one is a recording uh, scheduling. So I'll join. So this is just for testing. So I'll join now. So now the next thing I do, I've already joined now. If the student is there, the moment it is time, so he or she also join, then we'll be seeing each other. So that is one. Then I'll now minimize. I'll go to Zoom. See it here. So if you not have a recalling a class and you have already created the link, so you click the link and you follow it and your student will join and what have you. Then you come to Zoom here. I've come to Zoom. Let's wait for it to load. So I think let's click it again. New meeting. Let's allow it to load. Okay, here it is. Then I'll click start. Click start. So I don't need the video. I'll just because this is not the main platform I'm holding my online class, so I don't need the video. So the next thing to do is to share the screen. Now this time around, if you are sharing the screen, you are not sharing a particular screen, you share the entire screen. Look at it. Please take note, you share the entire screen. So share. So after sharing the entire screen, so you can just minimize this one here and take it down anywhere. Then the next thing, you click this three dot here, this horizontal dot here, you click it, you see record, you click record.
Recording in progress.
Recording in progress now, right? Then you minimize. So when you have minimized, the whole screen has been shared and recording is in place now. So the next thing is to go back to your Google Meet. Now it remains one thing. So I now open look at it, my OneNote. I open my OneNote, right? I open my OneNote. You see what I've been doing on my OneNote. So I open my OneNote. See, I have series of material that I've already classes are already created. Look at this. This one is a IGCSE exam prep. This is British entrance exam. This particular student have been taking since January. I have another one, my tutors. I have another one. I have plenty things I have already created. Look at series of things I have imported. Look at this is a NECO 2025 past question solution series that I've been doing also. Look at them. Look at the material I imported here, right? So let's assume I'm using this one, for instance. Look at how I also take you how I achieved this. Look at it. Look at them. Look at them. So now there is a ability to annotate here. I will show you later. Now let's go to the Google Zoom here, Google Meet here, where the class is actually taking place. So the student is already in class with me, like this, for instance. So I take it up. Then the next thing is to share my screen. Look at it. Share screen. So I share my screen and you're going to share your entire screen as well. You click this place to share your entire screen. You click this one, so it is activated, and you share. So now that you have shared your entire screen now your student can see your screen. Then you now come back and come and click this particular place. So this is the one you want to show your student. If you want to show your student another thing, you click it. So this is what you want to show your student. The class is already active now. Let me connect my tab so I'll be able to write. So now that I can write here, okay. So now I come here.
You see my annotation, I pick red. So sorry. So now you see I can move my list. Look at it. I can write. Okay. Now so let's annotate. Let's say I have a car traveling at an average speed of this speed. See, I can write speed is equal to what? 110 kilometer per hour. What is the distance? You're looking for distance. See, I can annotate. So that is what you are looking for. And the time t is equal to what? 12 minutes. So you convert this one to second. Use your time, your formula that speed is equal to distance over time, so that distance will be equal to speed multiplied by time. You convert this one to meter per second, convert this one to second, then you leave your answer. Okay, the answer is in a kilometer. You leave this one answer in kilometer. You convert this one to hour, so that you have kilometer per hour here. Hour will cancel hour, and you get your answer. Is that clear? So this is how I achieve my online classes using these three platforms. If there's anything you don't understand, please go back and rewatch it. Trust me, you're going to understand it. And if there's any other trouble, please don't forget to comment on the comment section. I'll take it over from there and guide you through.